So we're headed into key major resistance. So you can see here, this is on the daily time frame for the QQQ NASDAQ 100, and we are currently headed right towards that 200-day moving average if it gets there. So that right there is coming in at about 342 right there at 342. So this is up about, this will be up about 28% from this low to high. And then you've got the weekly, you've got the 50 simple moving average right here at the 345. So just again, I've been talking about the risk reward of getting super aggressively long on index related stocks right in this area is kind of a risky proposition. So this is the 100-day moving average there. So, you know, we can also look here and see how extended this is. This is above the 2 ATR into the 3 ATR here. We've got the cycle reversal indicator, and the moving average of that indicator in yellow is about 92 percentile overbought. When that crosses, that usually has been a really great signal for a potential top in the market. So you can just kind of look back here. We had that top, and that was not even coming from as high of a, you know, overbought, stretched out sector or price at that level. And then you can see the weekly, the volume here just on the weekly has been very low. We haven't had a whole lot of volume for this rally to the upside. Now here's SPY, the S&P 500, very stretched. You can see it coming in right here. That's the 200-day moving average. Just kind of briefly touched it right there, 432, right there, 431. This is the 50 simple right here. So, you know, around that 434. So this is a huge area of resistance. So typically when you come into the 200 or the 50 weekly, you know, typically it doesn't go straight up. You can see the last time we were up here was back here in April. We did get the pop above that 50, came up towards this trend line and failed. So we're also currently right into that trend line, that descending trend line that started forming back, you know, earlier in the year. So you can see that swing high, then that swing high came up here, touch, that gave us a pivot high. Now we're right there back at that level. So technically this is a dangerous area to be going long, plus we're very overstretched, overbought, and that's SPY. So let's take a look at the next one, which will be the Russell. So IWM, we'll just pull up that one, the ETF. And again, another one super stretched. You can see here we have the Russell currently at 203 is the 50 simple moving average on the weekly right there. And that is, this is about a, let's see, the Russell is up currently, this is about 25% from this low to high. Now the other thing too is you can see super stretched. The 14 period moving average in yellow is the reversal indicator moving average of that over 14 days. And it's currently at about 95% overbought, and we haven't been up this. I looked back as far as I could look and never found anything that close. The last one you can see right here was, you know, up here at just the 2 ATR. So we're currently at the 3 ATR into major resistance right here. So, you know, until this proves that it can close, give us number of closes, the way to look at it is until it can close and start consolidating above these key major long-term moving averages, which are sloping down as well, not sloping up. Let the market prove it to you, and then, you know, we'll be looking for other specific selective stocks for the long side.